the larger basic hip circle. Just putting your hands on your hips, so that on the top of your hip bone, so you can feel where your hips are. Taking your stance out a little bit wider, so your feet are just coming out a little tiny bit wider than normal on the outside of your hip, and just roll your hips around. Now I want you to think about leading with your hips and not leading with your chest. Let your chest follow your hips around. This is a great release, and it's a really good move to do in your warm-up as well. So taking it clockwise, let's take it anti-clockwise again, using your left to right, using your clock so that you know where you start your circle and where it finishes. And going to clockwise, right around. Now let's take our arms away from our hips and let our hips lead us. See how your chest and your arms are staying as mobile as they can while your hips are moving right round. And just give your pelvis a little bit more of a push as it comes forward. And make that circle a little bit deeper. Keep your knees soft. And if you want to go even deeper, just bend through your knees just a little tiny bit and feel like you're going to sit down in the move and come up again. That's it. And take it anti-clockwise as you come up and round you go. And bringing yourself back upright, hands on the hips, and that's the end of this lesson.